When we were looking at our vision and mission of the school, we started looking at what are the needs for the management education, and we identified three pillars which define our school, that is innovation, leadership and entrepreneurship. All the activities of our school will be encircled around these three keywords.
So in the IIT system, the curriculum is never static, it keeps evolving. It is essentially a combination of perspectives, skills and concepts.
These three perspectives, we are now bringing in experiential learning as one of the most important ingredients.
I think that makes for a very good mix of the kind of research you're doing and the kinds of courses that you can design which will attract students.
I don't think MBA schools only teach you marketing, finance and operations management. They basically allow you to develop right kind of skills which are required to excel in today's corporate world. And I think SOM did a great job at that.
This is not another literature degree or an arts degree that you can come and learn in classroom, but it is about managing things and it's about doing.
Laboratory Practicum, where we'll be actually working on projects with the company for the entire year. So that kind of exposure we may not get anywhere else in India at least.
I think that gives opportunity for them to pick up a project from industry and at least get some hands-on.
Quantum is a leadership lecture series that happens across the year in all the domains: HR, consulting, marketing, finance and operations.
Where we have full-day seminar series from industry stalwarts who come and talk about the upcoming trends in the industry and what the future prospects for students like us in these industries are.
This big Vedanta Kane deal happened, and a few days later Mr. Anil Agarwal of Vedanta came to SOM. He delivered a talk to students and he explained how the deal happened, what were the intricacies involved.
We came up with an idea of providing advertisements in notebooks.
Then we took our help from the sign. You can present your ideas in front of professors, in front of industry stalwarts, and you can get your ideas refined.
You have that management skill, and then the BTechs and MTechs, they have the technical skill. And you can actually think of forming your own company, and so the manpower part is also taken care of.
You never know, your roommate might be the next Nandan Nilekani.
Being in Mumbai, we have access both to corporate leaders who come and teach here, and also I think for students to go out and do internships, so gain experience.
You have the Ambanis living here and you have the Dabbawalas living here. It only depends upon the stride you're ready to take and the amount of work you're ready to put in.
You're at the most happening place in India, you're in Bombay.
So it's a mix of, I think, both the worlds, where you're getting best of the college life and best of the Bombay life. And for the industry interaction, it's a fantastic situation to be in.
Typically, IIT Bombay need not sell themselves to the recruiters for placing their students. It happens naturally.
SJM SOM has established placements in all the fields of management, be it operations, marketing, consulting, finance or systems.
A lot of students get offers from the same companies where they've done their summer internships because they definitely go there, they enjoy what they're doing, they're passionate about what they're doing and they give their best there.
I personally don't feel salary should be the only criteria to choose a placement. It should be what you exactly want to do in life.
So far as the number of students being placed, the record was always 100%.
You should come there with the mindset that why you're coming here, what you want to learn from this institute. Take the maximum from the institute. Placement will keep happening, and I think if you're capable enough, anyway you will grow in life.
Before coming to SOM, I used to be a shy person, an introvert. But after coming to SOM, I got a chance to interact with so many people that talking to people has never been a problem.
The way I look at businesses, the way I look at the brands, the entire mindset has changed.
Now in retrospect, when I read the articles that I had written prior to my MBA, I feel so naive about how my thinking was. There's a lot of structuring that has happened in the past 7 months that I feel a change in the way I express myself.
Volkswagen wanted some people to handle their international strategies for standardization, and they wanted me to take it up for them. Different countries, different cultures again, and it brought a completely international perspective to my thinking.
I've learned, I have enjoyed, and probably I've excelled from where I was when I came here.
we are part of a larger institution, so we of course have the resources of IIT Bombay to draw upon, both intellectual resources and resources for students.
This is a dream campus. Even in dream, I don't know if you would have come across such a green and such a lovely campus.
Everybody who stays in Bombay wishes to actually stay in IIT Bombay because of its surroundings here.
IIT Bombay means vibrant culture. You have the best of each and every department here at IIT Bombay.
I think the entire atmosphere within IIT is very conducive to learning.
Here at Avenues, you're part of one big team, both juniors and seniors working together. The students design the event, they go to the industry, talk to the experts, partner with them, they reach out to the B schools across India and also market the event, they execute the entire event completely.
We have Modai, which is the largest Asian cultural festival.
You name it, be sports, TT, basketball, badminton, tabla, guitar classes, skating.
We have TT courts.
Trying my hand at tennis.
Indoor basketball court.
A dance show for the cultural night.
2 world-class swimming pools.
Of late I started playing guitar.
You have judo classes here.
Photography club.
We also have 2 tennis courts.
A debate club, again music club. We have all the possible clubs. You name it and it is here.
For the aspiring students, my only suggestion would be you have to be yourself and you have to be open to learning, because there's no lack of content here.
At our age, not experienced with everything in life, and there are new things that we can explore in life. So we should not limit ourselves with some things and create unnecessary boundaries.
If you want to get beyond just the managerial experience and the textual learning, if you want to get involved into life projects, into internships, into good alumni interactions and various other activities that go around in a B school, SGM SOM is the right place for you.
I would say come here if you really want to develop as a human being. Come here if you're prepared to work hard. And come here if you're prepared to use that thing, that muscle we call a brain.